Toolkit. Your client relationship simplified. Hi, this is Sarah with Toolkit. This video is on how to create custom fields in Toolkit. Let's dive in. What are custom fields and why should you use it? Custom fields are used to store specific data you want to track in your CRM. This data could be client information, sales data, or anything you would like, including text fields, numbers, date fields, and more. And then you can use this custom data to generate custom reports or pull information that is relevant to your business. For instance, you may want to track the date a client was onboarded, or perhaps their healthcare number or their maiden name. Utilizing custom fields in Toolkit will enable you to track the information you want in your business. Before we get started, you need to know that creating custom fields has two steps: creating fields, and number 2 is to create forms. Let's dive into Toolkit to see how you can create your very own custom fields. Start off by heading over to the Systems tab on the top navigation bar, and then select Custom Entity Editor from the menu. Once you're in this tab, you will see a list of entities in the toolkit, such as account, address, appointment, etc. In the example today, I would like to select the contact because I will be creating custom fields for my contact record. When you click Contact, a sub-menu will open to Fields and Forms. Click Fields. Now on the screen, you will see a full list of all the fields contained in the contact record. To create your own custom field, click the orange button on the right side of the screen labeled Add Fields. A pop-up window will appear. Now I can create my field. In this example, I want to create a field in my contact record to input my client's maiden name. I will begin with naming this field. Then I will select the data type for this field and select from the options provided. In this case, I will select Text Input, as I will be entering a name. There are options for all types of fields, including currency, dates, times, pick lists, true or false checkboxes, and more. You also have the option to select a label, which will display the description of this field if a user hovers on it with their mouse cursor. And you have the option to make this field required so that a Toolkit user must fill in this field prior to saving it. In this example, I will not use either of those options. Click Save. You will then see your field within the list of fields for the contact record. Moving on to step 2, creating forms. Now that we have created a field we wanted, how do we see this field in the contact record? For that, we need to place this field on what's known as form. A form is essentially a view or a way of displaying data in a way that you like. On your form, you can reorganize how fields are displayed, make new sections, or even remove fields that you may not use. Click on Forms, and then click on the orange button, Add New Forms, on the right side of the screen. Name your form. In this case, I'm calling it Contact V2 for Contact version 2, and then click Save. You will then see your new contact form in the list provided. You may need to wait a few seconds for the form to populate. Then click on your new form. You will see a version of your existing default contact record and also all your available fields on the right side of the screen. To simply add my new field, maiden name, I can drag and drop it into the form. Here I am simply dragging it into the top section. Just so you are aware, within the Form Builder you can create and name new sections by clicking the orange button, Add Custom Form Sections. This will enable you to better organize your data, the way you want it to be displayed in the contact record. You can also remove fields from your form if you no longer require them. Just simply click the unlinked button on the field within the form. They will all automatically appear in your list of available fields, just in case you may want to use them in the future. Once you are done, everything in the Custom Entity Editor is auto-saved. Now, to view your new custom form, click on Contacts. Then click into any contact, and then you will see a drop-down menu on the top. Select the form you want to view. A message will confirm that this is the new form you will use, and click Close. To quickly refresh your contact record, click Reload in the Actions menu. You will now see your new maiden name field in the contact record. In Toolkit, you can create as many custom fields as you like. If you feel like you need additional step-by-step instruction, you can always refer to the Toolkit training manual within the main drop-down menu. Visit us on our website or reach out to us if you have questions. Thanks for watching.